What are the deer farmed for? They're farmed for deer venison, which is the meat. Early growth of antler called deer velvet. You can hop off, feed them by hand if you like. Off you come. Come over this side, grab some of that. Look, they'll eat right out of your hand, look at that. Get a dirty hand, what are you going to do? Wipe it on the sheep like that. No worries at all. Watch where you're walking.